Okay, definition. First we will check with named params. I am giving here for the named parameters as name, and I am printing here print name. Now I will say named underscore params. I will give name as Hulk. We have got it. Now we have another one called as args, arguments. Okay, params def named underscore params args. I'll say single star star. I will say single star, and I am giving here also star args. Now I am giving here for I in args, I am saying print I. Just understand this carefully. Now I am saying named underscore params underscore single star. I am not doing anything here. I am giving here, see, I am giving here Hulk, and I am giving here age, and I am giving here time. I am giving here 10. I am giving whatever I want here. Now you see, when I hit enter, the name have gone wrong. Let me mark this as something name I missed here. That's fine. Now see, when I hit enter, what happens? See, this has gone as a list of it. I mean, like, it went inside like a list. I am seeing here, I am saying for I in args, it is printing each value out of it. Now let's see one more small thing to make it more clear. I will say here, we have our right print, what is that, type of args. Now I am saying print type of args. Now let's see what it will show to us. Now let give here. See here, it is passing it as a tuple. It is saying it is something called as tuple. You don't worry about what is tuple. Okay, consider it like a data structure. Okay, it's a type of data type. We will see it in the next class. I did not give here anything called as tuple or any list or anything. I am passing it like a normal syntax. How we will pass it for a normal method. Now I am passing it, but when I am declaring my method, when I am creating my definition, I have told only star args. But why it is showing it like this to us when I have given like this? But the format what it has gone inside, that means the object of this is of type tuple. So you have to understand what is that. Now when we pass parameters like this, all will go in group as this variable of type tuple. That is about the second way. Now the next one is I will be changing it here. Now single star, I am going to make it as double star. Now what I am doing, I am making it as a double star. Now I will enter. Now what will I do is, I am making it here, I will say my this guy's name is equal to, I am not giving any dictionary or anything here. I am just giving age is equal to this one, and then I am giving here the value of this again as age. We have given already age here. Now I will say height is equal to, and I am giving here weight is equal to. Now see, I am not giving any dictionary or anything, but I am again hitting enter. Now what it have thrown, it have given single star. Shit, we have to make it as double, double. See here, it have printed this one, and it is saying it is of type dictionary. Here I have given variable name, parameter name and value, parameter name and value, parameter name and value, parameter name and value. But when it is passed inside, when I have given a syntax of star args, double star args, it is taking variable name and value as keyword and value pair, and it is taking and it is using inside. If you see here, okay, now let's print it properly. I have given here, right, args dot items means give each item, for item in all the items available, for items all the items available in args, print each item. In each item, what we have, key we have, comma value we have. When you say k comma w, it will understand in each item I am taking the first value and I am printing the second value, k comma v. Now if you print this one, now see what happens. See, it have given key is name, value is Hulk, key is age, value is age, key is height, value is 10, height is weight is key, and value is 20. And these are the different ways of passing parameters. Can I combine both star and single and double star? Can I give this single and double star? No, sorry. Can I give this single and double star? Okay, let's do that one. Comma, I am going to make this one as star args only. Then I will be making this as double star kwargs. This is what you will see in naming conventions also outside. Now I will say for, okay, here kwargs for I in args print I, and for our purpose let's do this one, print type of args. Now let's say named underscore params underscore double, sorry, no, okay, double star only I gave name, okay, let it be there, double star. See, when I give here itself, it is showing there are two things, star args, star keyword args. What will I do is I am giving here 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Now I will give here count is equal to 5 and type is equal to value type is equal to int. Let's see what happens when we give this one. See, it is, I have given first set of them are arguments, second set of them are name and key. These are named parameters, these are positional parameters. See, when you see args, the positional parameters will be picked up and it will be converted into a tuple and it will be used. When you are giving kwargs, the named parameters, how many named parameters are there, all the named parameters will be converted into a dictionary and they will be used. Why it is not printing here dictionary? Because we have given both the places args only. Let me put it so that we see that, then it is very clear. First I am giving kwargs, next one is, okay, now let me print here. Now I am passing it again. Now see, one is dictionary and the after one is tuple. For args it is tuple, and for this kwargs is dictionary. And this is overall what we have is entire about all the parameters we have in while passing to the to a method. Okay, lastly we will check one thing as part of this. Now def, I am saying my return type, I am going to say here return you can return anything. I mean, like, it doesn't matter to it here. I mean, you can return any, it is not specific to anything. I mean, like, here in this syntax, when you say def my return string, you can pass anything. My, okay, let's see, type of my return type. I'm not giving brackets, see it properly, I'm not giving brackets. Now it says, see, it's a function. This is a type of function it is saying to us. Now what will I do? I will put brackets. Now the return value, whatever it comes, right, that is the list, that is what it is showing. Now I want to restrict this method specific to something. Now what will I do is, see here, I will come here and I will say here it's a type of integer. Now I will say my, now I will say here my my return type now. Okay, leave till here. If I, again, if